Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Justina, and for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my product empties. And when I say product empties, these are products that I have completely used up, so I want to share with you which ones that I would repurchase and which ones I can live without. So if you're interested in that kind of video, continue watching. The first empty that I have is from the brand The Good Stuff, and this is sold at Target. What I love about the brand is that it's vegan and cruelty free, and this was a recommendation from a Target employee. This right here is the Good Stuff Curl Definition Jelly. It's good for wavy and curly hair, and this is the Good Stuff Curl Hydration Butter, good for curly and coily hair. So these two were the only things available at Target when I went. I purchased these two and I've been wearing it non-stop, and this is literally heaven sent. So I had to look into the brand, especially when I finished these two, because I wanted to repurchase and I wanted to see what else could help my hair out. And I actually ended up basically purchasing the whole line minus the shampoo and conditioner. So I definitely want to show you guys those products as well. I ended up looking into the line and repurchasing the Curl Hydration Butter and also the Curl Definition Jelly, and then I purchased two more items, and this is the Intensive Nourishment Cream, good for dry and dull hair, and this is the Good Stuff Frizz Control, good for dry and frizzy hair. So honestly, I use all four of these together in my hair, and it just works so well. My curl pattern is almost back, because I want to say it's like 95%, and then like my front pieces play me sometimes. But this has definitely brought my curl pattern back. It keeps the moisture in, it's inexpensive, it's vegan and cruelty free. So I would definitely suggest that you check it out, because I'm just so surprised, like I said, that it's inexpensive, it's sold at Target, and I have been absolutely loving it. My next product empty is my favorite perfume, hands down favorite perfume. This is Bvlgari All the Blanc. It costs $98. There's a smaller version in Sephora, but online currently it is sold out, but it's for $27, and this is so good. I can't explain what it smells like. The key notes are Artemisia, musk, and white tea. I have no clue what that means, but I thought I would put that out there. This smells so crisp, so clean. It would smell good on absolutely anyone. It smells so good that I purchased another bottle, and this costs so much that says a lot in itself. But if you can go get a sample of this, go get it, because you're gonna smell so good. My next item speaks for itself. This is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask, and as you can see, it is decrepit, it is dried out, it is used, it is abused. I love this so much. It is so good, and I believe if you collect like maybe 3, it could be 6 of these, and you send it in, you get a travel size of jet lag mask for free. So that's really good. You should keep these, especially if you use it nonstop like I do. I religiously buy this, and I would go over there to show you right now that I have purchased 2 more of these. But if you look at my last video, Sephora VIB sale, you'll know that I purchased 2 more of these. This is so good, so good. I believe it goes for about $48. And it's a mask, but you do not have to wipe this mask off. I picked thick layers underneath my eyes. I put it on my smile lines because I just feel like it plumps everything up. Your skin will remain so supple and it'll just look so moisturized. So at night, I'll take a thick layer on like Miss Doubtfire, and it will just seep into my skin, and I love it so much. And I kid about how thick the layer is, but it is a thick layer enough where, you know, it will seep into the skin. But you can buy this for a travel size. You can also buy it for this size. This was full size, and now there is a jumbo size, so you should definitely check it out. So this was my favorite cleanser for so long. This is the Henriksen Truth Juice Daily Cleanser, and before I used this, I used their other previous cleanser, and I loved it, but they discontinued it. So I found this, and I was in love. I love the way it smells. It's fruity, it smells like oranges, but it also gets the job done. I always felt like my skin was clean, and it always brought a sense of brightness, but I did not purchase it again. I did go on to another cleanser because I just want to try out different cleansers, but I would say that this is a fan favorite for a lot of people. I feel like that it's a general basic kind of cleanser. It will foam up, it will do the job of cleaning, and it will brighten your skin, but I wanted to find a cleanser that was going to do more and, you know, help my skin with benefits a little more than just brightening. So I would repurchase this again, but right now I've been trying out other cleansers. So after the cleanser, I ended up grabbing the Olaplex Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream, and like I said, these are both in the same family. This is Olaplex Henriksen, and this is the brightening line. So this is the eye cream, and I love the eye cream when I was using it. It kept my under eye so moisturized, and it did add brightness. I won't lie, I'm using the Murad eye cream right now, and I just feel like it's a little more brightening and reflective underneath my eye than this, but those are two different price points, so I feel like this is my number 2, and if you wanted to go a bit more inexpensive than that Murad eye cream, I would definitely suggest this cream right here. My next item is this Clinique Moisture Surge, and this little tiny bottle packed a punch. This is a little sample size that I got from Sephora with my 100 points, but I would definitely purchase this because it was so good. My skin was so hydrated. It is lightweight, so if you're looking for a lightweight moisturizer that is going to keep your skin just locked with moisture, this is definitely one of them. So this is another product that I got with my Sephora points, but is so worth talking about. This is the Farmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, and this is worth talking about because it is so good. Like, if I had to pick any cleansing balm right now, this would be the one that I would recommend. This would be the one that I purchased. This is the one that I urge everyone to get. I made the mistake, and I don't want to call it a mistake because I feel like that's rude. I purchased the Drunk Elephant Cleansing Balm, and it was between this and that, and I was just like, you know what, I was going back and forth between reviews, and I chose Drunk Elephant, and you know what, I chose wrong, because I use this, and this is literally butter on your skin. It feels so good taking it off. It doesn't irritate you in any way. It doesn't leave any type of film, and it doesn't clump up in your fingers. It literally is a balm that's going to melt your makeup away, and it's also going to melt into your hands. My Drunk Elephant one leaves little clumps in my hands. It does the job, but sometimes a little film as well on the skin. Can't stand that. I use this and I loved it so much. Every time I have Sephora points, I get it until I finish my Drunk Elephant one. Then I am purchasing this because it is so good. So now I'm going to move on to products that I was just indifferent about, products that just didn't really do it for me. And one of those products were the Herbivore Rose Hibiscus Coconut Water Hydrating Face Mist. So after skincare, I place a face mist on my face, but with this, it just felt really lackluster, like nothing was happening, no benefits were really gracing my face. So I did away with it and I purchased a new face mist. So I wouldn't recommend it, but let me know down in the comments if you've used it before. This is the Playa Ritual Hair Oil. It adds weightless shine and polish. It smells of apricot and sunflower. It's paraben and silicone free, and it adds UV protection. So it does sound great, but I really didn't like the scent of apricot or sunflower, and I wanted this for my curly journey, for my natural hair, and this didn't really penetrate or keep the moisture that I wanted. It seems that this is for straight to wavy hair. If your hair is already styled straight and you just want to add a bit of shine on top, this is what you would go for. So I would recommend it for girls with straight or wavy hair that want to add on shine. For me, it just wasn't my journey. So last but not least, this is the Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother. So this came in a kit of 4, and it came with shampoo, conditioner, and it came with, I believe, a No. 4 treatment and then this bond smoother. So I really didn't think that the kit did much for me. Again, I think it's because of my hair type. I think that Olaplex is really probably for like straight to wavy, maybe the start of like textured curly hair, but my hair is very textured and curly, and this just didn't do anything for it. So that made me a bit sad, but I just think I need to look into products that help my texture. And I feel like, you know, shopping at Sephora could be a little tricky because they want you to believe that their brand and their product is made for all types, and sometimes that's not the case. So this is just not a brand that worked for me. I do want to try their oil from there, so let me know down below if you have tried it. This is something, again, that I would recommend for women with straight to wavy hair. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. That is it for all my product empties. Now I can throw these out in the trash and start collecting new trash. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know if you used any of these products. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I'm coming out with another video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.